Attention everyone, we are delighted to announce the Silver Jubilee celebration of Fatima English Medium School, Miyapadav, as we proudly mark 25 years of excellence in education. Join us on Saturday, 18th January 2025 at 11 a.m. in the Fatima English Medium School Jubilee Hall, Miyapadav, as we celebrate this momentous occasion with joy and gratitude. This grand milestone is a tribute to the dedication of our staff, students, parents, and the entire community. Together, let's honor the past, cherish the present, and dream big for the future. The celebration is organized by Reverend Father Edwin Vincent Correa, Correspondent, Mr. Albert D'Souza, Honorary President, Silver Jubilee Committee, Sister Salet Mary, Headmistress, along with the Silver Jubilee Committee, Management Committee, and PTA members. We warmly invite you all to be part of this historic day filled with joy, reflection, and hope. Mark your calendars and join us as we celebrate 25 years of shining bright. Thank you.
याच महिन्याच्या 18 तारखेर आमच्या फातिमा माईक समर्पणलेली फिरगस मियापदावच्या फातिमा इंग्लिश मीडियम इस्कोलाची रुपयोत्सव बड़ा संभ्रमान आचरण करता. अतिमानाधिक दोतोर पीटर पाउल सल्डाना आमच्या आजारपणान मिसाचे बलिदान नव्या हॉलाचे उक्तावण आशीर्वचन त्याच्यानंतर संभ्रमी कार्य असतले. तुम्ही येयात हेरांकी आपण आज्ञेयात. Thank you.